This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
There you go. Ever got the stain out there, bitch? We got my little RT, bro. For now, bro. Look. We gonna get there, but my car's so damn dirty. Then we got rain stain right here. It's cold as hell. It bit look good though. He just walked, bro. You peep how everybody else's car is nice and clean, and then look at the rust bucket, bro. Right? Nah, let me chill. I'm picking up off of Ron J. But here go my baby right here, bro. It just need to get cleaned, lowered, and to fix my damn rig. Oh, by the way, it's starting to warm up a little bit now, so I'm gonna try to fix this soon. And yeah, bro. Look where we at right now, bro. We somewhere in the middle of goddamn nowhere, boy. Nah, I'm bullshitting. We really in the center of the goddamn city for real. Them boys outside, bro. Hell yeah. We got a big RT right here. Yes, sir. Damn. We is outside with these shits, man. No rap cap. Whew. It's cold. I don't know why I got so much energy, bro, but I do. Bro, this stain sounds insane, bro. We got a BMW. Damn. Got the stain right here.
So this is more like Korea or something. It changes from like solid amber, sequential amber, like the full sequential, not just a single sequential, solid red. Got that just
so y'all boys cleaned up after that last video, bro. My POV, look, it's performing well. I'm glad y'all liked the video, but bro, that pissed me off so bad, bro. I didn't even know that, like, it wasn't like, it was blurry. That's my fault. I'll eat that right there. That's on me. But yeah, bro, we got this beautiful Mustang right here. This joint sounds insane. It look crazy too, bro. Damn. Hard. But yeah, I'm probably gonna shoot a POV once I leave this jump. So god damn, y'all hear that jump, bro? I probably shoot a POV though once I leave this jump. So I don't know, bro. Y'all just watch the video, bro. I'm gonna let y'all boys know what's going on. Boom. Yeah, that boy ran. Bro, look, bro, y'all can see that my camera is broke. Y'all see all of these like lights and shit like that? Look. It's not supposed to be like that. Like, my camera's not supposed to pick none of that up. My camera's broke. So I gotta buy a new phone or just buy a camera. But I'm pretty sure a phone is more affordable than like a good camera, right? Unless y'all boys can suggest me to the right way, then you know I go that way. But I think a phone is more easier, so I probably just buy a whole new phone. Look at this, bro. My car's so damn dirty. Look. Damn, bro. We gonna clean it, bro. We gonna clean it. Just not right now, bro. Yo, bro, we gonna get to that, bro. I'm telling you. Damn. Just sound good though, bro. You did it, bro. Okay. He finally hooked it up, bro. I've been trying to get him to hook this damn wanted sign up for the longest, bro. He did it, bro. That's hard. That's hard. Alright, man. Look at how them boys got this on up. I ain't gonna leak too much because they finna take some pictures. But oh my god, this shit look good. Look at my car just over that bit. Lonely as hell, bro. Literally. I'm lonely, bro. But yeah, I'm finna let them take this picture. So let's go. Alright, man, we pretty much at the end of the meet, bro. Oh, they got that boy ran. We got this crazy Mustang, bro. Hold up, let me get y'all boys right there. Go. I ain't even need to stop that jump, but yeah, we got the stain right here. It bitch sound crazy. See, I ain't even gotta do none of that when I get off this bitch. I could just go straight up this show, bro. Got a stain. Oh my god. Yo. It was even to push that joint back. Fuck, that car loud as shit, bro. But yeah, bro. Oh my god, he's still going. Damn. Finna get out this, yo, bro. Oh my goodness. All right, Ren. Oh man. Let me start the hold up. RT on the ground. You can still hear him. Hold up. Not a cold start, but damn. My joint ain't nothing like that stain, but we gonna get this joint right, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That boy just gave me some game, bro. Just take your time, man. Take your time, man. We got my baby right here. We got Ran finna lead here, baby. Boy, it's cold. Hey, turn more. Oh my goodness. Nah, he made it. He made it. You good, bro. Damn, yo, bro, he scared me. Okay. I like what I'm hearing. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna put y'all boys in a whole nother POV. We ain't gonna do the POV tonight, man. We finna go to the crib. I got work in the morning, but when I leave work, I'm gonna give y'all boys a quick POV, all right? So let's get to that bit. All right, man. It's a new day. And y'all see we putting gas in that bit right now. Oh, dang, this one already done, bro. I put a 30 ball in that bit. There we go. Oh, that's money. Nah, I put a 30 ball in that bit. We finna close that. Yeah, not a cold start. But, oh, not a cold start, but it should still sound somewhat, you know what I'm saying, nice. Hold on. Yeah, bro, let me put y'all boys on the head mount real quick. And then, you know, we'll drive around for a little bit. Oh, mute the radio. God dang. Yeah, we'll drive around for a little bit though. So let me put y'all boys on the head mount. Alright, here go a tunnel, man. I'm gonna let y'all hit that bit and I'm gonna end this zone. Hold on, wait. I'm moving like a bot. Out of that. Yo, hold up. Is that a Charger, brethren? Or is that a damn Dodge Dart, bro? No, that's a Charger, bro. His shit's sitting crazy. Nah, look, y'all know the Dodge Dart's got that rear end too, bro. That should be looking terrible. Hold up, bro. We didn't found a goddamn Scat pack. Go ahead, gang. No turn signals is brazy. Damn, hold on, bro. I don't even want to leave y'all hanging like this. Hold on, let's see what bro with the Scat pad talking about. I ain't even gonna get over, bro. Is that 12? That actually might be 12. That's not 12. I don't see no lights on top of that goddamn truck. Boy, you in a fake 12 truck. Yo, bro. Hold on, wait. Should we forward him? Hold on, listen. Hold up. Oh, damn. It's another tunnel right here. I'm hitting it, bitch. I ain't even gonna fake it to y'all, bro. Okay, nah, he's wilding in the Scat pack. Hey, that bitch running too, though. I ain't even gonna fake it. Hey. Whoever that is in the Scat pack, bruh. Stop playing. Alright, we hit me down over here, bruh. Chill out. we hit me over here, bruh. Just vibe, twin. Just vibe, gang. But nah, look. I appreciate y'all boys for watching though, bro. Oh my goodness, I just peeped. Bro, y'all probably couldn't even see that well. Oh my goodness. My fault, bro. Yo, bro, I kid y'all not. Like, I just be throwing the head mount on because it's so, like, quick, bro. I don't even think y'all down all the way. Hold up, gang. I'm fucked up, bro. My fault, bro. Y'all know my POVs usually. You can see a little bit more of the steering wheel, but, like, hold on. Like that, kind of. Yeah, that's how this shit's supposed to be sitting, bro. I fucked up. That's on me, bro. I take that right there. I ain't even gonna fake it, bro. My bad. Hopefully, though, if it caught it, I'll put, like, text on the screen saying, yeah, we got that shit. We good. But, yeah, appreciate y'all boys for watching, though, bro. You know what I'm saying? Quick little, you know what I'm saying? With a Scat pack. Nice little, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, we finna get off this joint, man. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. Let me know what y'all boys want to see me do in the city, bro. We in Virginia, gang. So, y'all boys want to see some, you know what I'm saying? Look, y'all got some spots y'all want me to go to. Because I know, I realize this, too. Some of y'all who, like, really from Virginia, y'all watch me. I did not know that. So, that's hard. And by the way, yes, I'm from Richmond, bro. So I don't know why I just made it seem like I won't from here. Nah, I'm from Richmond, gang. So yeah, bro, y'all let me know, bro. Y'all got any spots? I've been here my whole damn life and I don't know spots, which is kind of sad. But heck yeah, bro. I hope they get out their situation. I hope everything good with Brody Car, bro. Yo, bro, that is a horrible feeling, bro. I done been through that shit too many times. Holy, bro. But yeah, bro. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. I'm out there, bit man. Peace out, man.